Welcome to this Tokyo travel vlog. I booked a food tour, Shinjuku food tour, 15 dishes and 4 places to eat. It's so much happening. I've never been to Japan before, so this is the first time, and I'm traveling solo. It feels good to be in Japan. I'm gonna walk to my hotel. I booked a food tour, Shinjuku food tour, 15 dishes and 4 places to eat. That's at 6 p.m, 2 hours. I'll see you in Shinjuku. I found a meeting point, but I'm 1 hour early, so I will go around in Shinjuku a little bit and then come back here. It's very cool, it's very, there's so many people here. It's so huge. Looking forward for the food tour because I'm hungry. I'm so hungry. Found the streets where it's more people and more fun in the central of Shinjuku. Oh my god, it's so much happening. This is the famous Omoide Yokocho street, which is a small street with places to eat. So the food tour started in Shinjuku. We were about, I think, 12 people. The tour lasted for 3 hours and we went to 4 different places. First a restaurant-ish kind of thing, and we got different dishes and we all shared the food. The first one was mainly raw fish and a fantastic shrimp kind of tempura thing. Wow. Wow. And then the second place was a more izakaya mix thing, where it was full experience of the full welcoming and when people come in the places and stuff. There we had different things, some noodle kind of things, gyoza. The third place was Tonkatsu. We had Tonkatsu from a place where the guide kind of brought a big tray of Tonkatsu, and we ate it with toothpick in the middle of the red district area.
But we need to eat a little bit more. Even try to make their own version of the Worcestershire sauce, and the yellow part on the top is also called karashi, which is Japanese spicy mustard. It's more similar, I would say, to horseradish.
There's the Godzilla. There's so much stuff happening. Oh my god.
Oh, the cat.
The fourth and last kind of piece of food was the waffle fish. I'm not overwhelmed by matcha yet. I'm trying to like it, so that's also probably why. If you're not a full matcha fan, then I would probably go for the custard one or red bean one or something. Okay, so I'm back from the food tour and Shinjuku exploration. Holy macaroni, it's a big, like, overwhelming part compared to Norway. This is like another level, another world. Totally sensory overload, but also so cool. Tomorrow I'm doing a day trip to see like different views of Mount Fuji, Instagram worthy destinations. See you tomorrow. We're now in Red District Lightning. No, Red Lighting District.